Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have something a slight bit different compared to my usual reviews. I got the opportunity to take a 2022 Volkswagen Golf 8 GTI Club Sport 45-year edition, that's a really big mouthful, to the area surrounding the circuit of Spa in Belgium for some pictures. Usually I like to do POV reviews of the vehicles I drive, but this time I was only able to record a small clip of me driving a lovely twisty road. As you can see in the footage, the roads were very damp and the car is a sold customer car, so we took it a bit easy. Now some quick information about the car itself. So the Volkswagen Golf 8 GTI Club Sport 45-year edition is a special edition of the normal Club Sport to celebrate 45 years of the Golf GTI. For the regular Club Sport, VW has upped the power from the normal 245 brake horsepower found on the regular GTI to 300 brake horsepower. They also added an Akrapovic exhaust, limited slip differential, bigger wheels, different front end, which is similar to the Golf R, and a more aggressive rear spoiler. They also removed the 250 km/h limiter, which should make this 45-year edition go upwards of 260 km/h. This makes for a pretty fun hot hatch if you ask me. So without further ado, let's jump right into the footage. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like, as it really helps me out a lot, and subscribe for more content in the future.